Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Jingelmall new DIY USB charging port for the Nintendo 3DS console from 2011. This is a replacement Type-C USB charging port and DC power jack designed specifically for the 3DS, offering a solution for those dealing with charging issues on older consoles. Right out of the box, this product is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 10 grams. And it comes as a single charging port ready to replace the one in your Nintendo 3DS. The design is straightforward, mirroring the original port so that it fits seamlessly into your console. The idea here is simple. If your 3DS is having trouble charging due to a damaged or worn out port, this replacement could save you from buying a new console entirely. The installation is meant for DIY enthusiasts. So if you're comfortable opening up your 3DS and handling small components, this part can be swapped in fairly easily. The port itself is a Type-C USB connector, which is a nice touch, given that many older devices still rely on proprietary connectors. The packaging includes just the port, so you'll need basic tools and some patience to complete the replacement. Functionally, it's designed to restore charging capabilities to your 3DS. The build quality is solid for its price point, and it's marketed as a high-quality brand new part. Since it's specifically made for the 2011 Nintendo 3DS model, you need to make sure your console matches this version before purchasing. The product also comes from Jingelmall, a brand focused on console accessories, giving some assurance that it's not just a generic knockoff. Overall, this replacement USB Type-C charging port is a practical solution for anyone looking to revive a 3DS that struggles with power issues. While it won't add any new features to your console, it's an effective and affordable fix to extend the life of your gaming device. Whether you're a collector, a gamer, or just someone who wants to keep their 3DS functional, this small component could make a big difference. That wraps up our review of the Jingelmall DIY USB charging port for the Nintendo 3DS. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.